Let the outer space and mysticism merge. Cynicism learns as the symbolism burns. Sticking with the synchronistic version of the words, and picking up right after all the lines have gotten blurred. Working with assurance as some circus will emerge. Spark collective currents and immerse us in the optimal. Ever-flowing waves, growth expanding to the verge. Basically occurring in amazement of what's possible. Rhymewave and TPA up in the chronicles. Blue Blockin hip-hop for new school consciousness. Mind states elevate above our obstacles and dance to the aftershock of toppling the obelisk. An odd phenomenon that's probably not on the list. Now evolving in directions we cannot predict. Live sonic vibes, steady drive within the mix. Mythologic rhymes to redefine how we exist.